Question says a moving block having mass m collides with another stationary block having mass 4m. The lighter block comes to the rest after collision. When the initial velocity of the lighter block is v, then the value of the coefficient of resolution, that is E, will be what? 0.5, 0.5, 0.8, 0.25 or 0.4? Answer is 3, that is 0.25. Now how did 0.25 come? According to law of conservation of linear momentum, conservation of linear momentum. This equation comes. Hence, from this we'll get which then after getting this equation we know coefficient of resolution E is relative velocity of separation upon relative velocity of approach, which is nothing but v upon 4 upon v, which comes out to be 1 by 4, which is 0.25. Hence 0.25 is the final answer.